Hey everybody, Randy here with Stay Broke Business Consulting. Welcome to day 2 of building $1 million business in 1 year. Today we want to take you behind the scenes more and talk about the whole process and what we've done with Jax as a client. I don't know if you've caught it in the other videos or not, but I refer to her as a client, and that's because we are providing a service for Jax Stables, and I want to talk a little bit about that in the process. So she came to us with the need for some business consulting, and for us, she is an ideal client, or it's an ideal business. They've been operating for multiple years successfully, and by successfully I mean keeping the doors open, continuing to grow, build their clientele. So when a new client approaches us, the first thing that we do is have them fill out an application or a questionnaire, trying to get a little insight into their business, making sure they're set up like a business. Are they established? Are they an LLC, a corporation, sole proprietorship? What services do they offer? What's their mission? Who are they? Tell us about the business. Tell us what you're hoping to get from this experience of us working together. The third step of this process is a presentation. Bring her back into our office, and we set up a PowerPoint presentation. So we go over the findings, the goals. Out of all the information we come up with, we try and then create a plan, 1 year plan, the immediate things that would be the most advantageous to work on, and then a 3-year plan for some of their goals to achieve over the next couple years, and then a 5-year plan, what they're actually trying to achieve long-term in their business and how they want to be involved in their business, or where they want to see it grow, or if they're trying to create something else on the back of this business, then planning ahead for that. I guess step 4 goes into touching base again, having a follow-up meeting, touching base, seeing if there's any need for any clarification on any of the plans that we made or suggestions that we made. We move to step 5, which is a different phase entirely. If they want to move on to one-on-one coaching, then we set up regular meetings to continue working on this plan and working on whatever they need help with at the time. One of the other services that she took us up on was the free promo video. For her, the timing was great. She was advertising for an event and also trying to spread the word about the Samson Project, a new nonprofit that she's launching. So we were able to go in and do the shoot for the video that we've already released, and that was a fun experience. We got to go in, hang out with the horses, and see some lessons in real time and see what the farm's all about. So if you're interested in any of the services that we talked about today, send an email here, info@staybroke.com, and we'll be in touch. We can talk about the free promo video or collab video that we're offering right now. Or if you're interested in our business consulting services, we can send you a questionnaire, see what you're looking for, see if it's the right fit, see if we think there's an opportunity that we can help you and your business grow. Our bookkeeping services, full service bookkeeping, we're still offering that. Or if you're getting ready to purchase an existing business, we're happy to come in and do some audits, do some due diligence checks, look through the books, look at the business as a whole, check the operations, look for inefficiencies, look for any issues before you take that over or sign on that dotted line. We're here to help with all these processes. Like I said, just reach out to us via email. Remember to like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos, and stay broke.